Monkey, today's the jungle cooking challenge. Let's show them our secret recipe.
Yes, I call it banana carrot surprise.
Yes.
Sounds yummy, right?
Sounds risky, but okay.
Step 1. Mix bananas, carrots, and coconut water.
Monkey, that's not mixing, that's messing.
It's called creative cooking, my friend.
Let's calm down and measure carefully.
Fine, but I'm adding a pinch of jungle spice.
A pinch, not a mountain. Okay, not bad actually.
See? Teamwork and a little chaos make magic. Lesson learned. Good cooking needs teamwork, patience, and a smile.